Hey there, I'm Dana Tran from CodelessBot, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a personalized image with FotoScript and install it into your MobileMonkey bot in 3 simple steps. Let's get started. In the CodelessBot dashboard, click on FotoScript. Browse through the library and select a design. To customize your design, simply use our visual editor. You can click and drag to reposition the text box and type in your message on the left-hand sidebar. Since you want to create a unique personalized image for each user, you'll also need to enter in a custom field, which is also known as an attribute in MobileMonkey. Just type in 2 curly braces, enter in the name of your MobileMonkey attribute, for example, first name, and close off the 2 curly braces. In this example, we only use the first name, but a FotoScript design can have up to 12 custom fields. We also have a feature to help you preview a sample personalized image. Just enter in a new value, and the canvas will be updated instantly. Now, let's suppose the user has a long name, and you want to make sure that the name fits into this text box. As you can see, in this example, Jonathan fits perfectly. But if it's a longer name, let's try Christopher. You'll see that the text box is not large enough, and your personalized image will display the fallback message instead. If you click on the Background tab, you'll be able to change the background image or upload your own custom background. Step 2, select and customize what you want to send. To do this, head over to the Format tab and choose MobileMonkey from the drop-down list. Then select what you want to send to users. If you select a gallery card, you'll also need to enter in other information like the gallery title, subtitle, and button. In this example, we kept things simple, but the gallery card title, subtitle, and button can also include custom fields. Once you're done, save your design by clicking on the green Save button. Now, before you install FotoScript into your bot, be sure to preview your design to make sure that the image looks great. If you selected a gallery card, you'll also be able to click on the buttons and get an idea of what happens. Step number 3, install FotoScript into MobileMonkey. If you click over to the Setup tab, you'll see all the information you'll need to enter into MobileMonkey. Let's go over how installation works. First, you'll need to click on Marketing Automation, then on Connection, and click the Add a New Connection button. Let's enter in a name for this connection. For the connection type, select Send Contact Data whenever a widget is reached. Now we need to copy and paste information from the CodelessBot Setup tab into MobileMonkey. First, copy the URL from the Setup tab and paste it here. Then replace the placeholders 1, 2, 3 with your CodelessBot access key and secret key. Next, you'll need to add a static parameter. Under Name, type cbot_design_ID. Copy the design ID from the Setup tab and then paste in the FotoScript design ID. Next, you'll click on Add Attribute. Again, we'll copy this information from the Setup tab and paste it under Name. Under the Value column, you'll need to select First Name from the drop-down list. Once you've done this for all the custom fields, scroll up to the top and activate the connection. Navigate to your dialog, add a connection widget, and select the right connection from the drop-down list. And that's it. You are done. Whenever a user enters this dialog and triggers the connection, they will be sent a personalized image with their unique information. Now it's your turn. If you're not a CodelessBot member, visit our Messenger bot to test out FotoScript or to claim your special trial coupon.